What is a brand and what are the 5 main steps to make a brand that produces results?
Brand is a sort of recognition and perception of you in the minds of people. It's all about when people see you, what do they think and feel about you. That thinking and feeling about you in their minds is called your brand. 5 steps that will make your brand highly successful. The first step to make a brand that produces results is to nail down the results you want to achieve over the next 12 months. Make sure to consider the interests of your customers, investors, employees, and the organization as a whole. The second step is to decide on what you want to be known for. Looking at your results, how do you want to be perceived by the people? Pick 6 descriptors that you want to be known for. For example, do you want to be perceived as humble, optimistic, or dedicated, etc.? The third important step in the making of a successful brand is to combine to define. Combine to define means that you should combine your 6 descriptors that you decided on in step 2 earlier into 3 two-word phrases like humbly optimistic or selflessly dedicated, etc. The fourth fundamental step in branding is to create your leadership brand statement and test it. I want to be known for being 3 phrases that you decided earlier on step 3 so that I can deliver. Then ask following questions from yourself. Does this best represent me? Does it create value for my stakeholders? Are there any risks?
The fifth and most important step in brand making process is to make your brand a living reality. Share your brand with other people and ask if they feel whether it really aligns with how you truly behave in real world. Make adjustments in light of their feedback. Most importantly, your brand is a promise with others to deliver what you portray and intend to deliver, so make it real and deliver it. With that, the 5-step process of successful brand making is complete.
Please subscribe to my channel, Computer Geek. Also, like my video, comment if you got any issues regarding this video.